Welcome back to another video, guys. Well, I got a package here. It is a new tool, and it is Snap-on. Yes, I finally bought a Snap-on tool. Besides, if I even have them in here, which I don't. Actually, I do. I have some Snap-on stuff. Snap-on sockets. This is something I was wanting. I see it's cool as fuck. Let's see. Cost me not much. It's just this and this whole damn thing, but I got it for steel. It's a swivel. It's a hand cranked Snap-on. I don't even say no, it is. Got my first fucking Snap-on tool. I'm about to order more tonight. But 3/8 drive. I like it. The first Snap-on came in today. Well, it's a short video of unboxing Snap-on. I hope you guys enjoy. Thumbs up, comment, and subscribe for more. See you guys on the next one.